Meaning of eye-watering.
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 Eye-watering. Eye-watering is an adjective used to describe something that is extremely shocking, surprising, or impressive. The term comes from the physical reaction of one's eyes watering when exposed to something intense. It can also be used to describe something that is excessively expensive or painful. For example, the price of the luxury car was eye-watering, or the amount of damage caused by the hurricane was eye-watering. Overall, it is a vivid adjective that conveys a sense of overwhelming intensity.